From the way things are going, it is imperative that we have a discourse as citizens of this great country. As day breaks and night falls, the greatest desire of an average Nigerian is to accumulate more certificates. My heart bleeds, and I feel greatly pushed from within to lend my words on this issue, because we have shifted attention from celebrating ability, knowledge, and competence to applauding mere accumulation of certificates. And this is why we have a large army of certificated illiterates parading the length, breadth, height, and width of companies searching for job which is nowhere to be found. Virtually everybody wants to accumulate more certificates. You have a BSc, it is not enough. You want to have an MSc and a PhD. In fact, check the names of some persons on print media and even on the social media platform today, and you will see a long list of prefixes affixed to their name. CAA, ICE, MPH, and so on and so forth. In fact, what is left for some persons to do today is to affix the abbreviation of some TV stations on their name. BBC, CNN, AIT, NTA. This clearly shows that something is wrong with our system of education. And our system of education has been reduced to mere ability to pass an exam. And it is often said that it is he who passes exam that is brilliant. That statement is devilish. In addition to the certificate that you have, there is something called certificate, which you should also have also. Don't just accumulate certificates and keep them in your custody. But in addition to all of these paper qualifications that you have, you must add to it what is called certificate. Certificate is the ability to perform according to what your certificate proves. Certificate is nothing but just a mere proof of the fact that at one point in your life you accumulated or you acquired a particular set of knowledge. And what is required of you now is to put to test, is to put to practice, is to exemplify or to put to work the knowledge that you have acquired. This or that is what makes you a qualified kind of individuals. Employers today are not looking for people who are custodian of a long list of certificates. Employers today are looking for people who can provide solution to existing problems, people who can think, people who have something new that they are going to bring to the table. So if you feel that accumulating certificate is going to give you breakthrough, then, my dear friend, you've missed it. Because the world we are living in today is not a world ruled by certification. It is a world ruled by people who can think on their own, people who can provide solution to pressing issue in the organization. And how do you do this? You do it by working on what we call certificate. What do you know how to do? What can you do in addition to the certificate that you have available at your disposal? This is a very critical question that I want you to sit down and think about and provide answer to. Certificate alone is not enough. In addition to certificate, you must have certificate. And when you have certificate, it means you can sit down and address a pressing need and you can provide solution to something which is wrong in an organization. If you feel that accumulating certificates is going to get you employment, there are people today, when they get employed, the organization will go as far as pushing aside their certificate and asking them one simple question. My dear friend, in addition to this certificate or apart from this certificate of yours, what can you do? What problem can you solve? And if you cannot provide solution to that, if you cannot answer that simple question, there won't be any job for you. So my friend, today I came to tell you that you should add to your certificate. Because anything that you have certificate on, you should have certificate also. Because certificate is what is going to differentiate you from the millions and millions of individuals who are out there. Don't forget that the certificate that you are going to acquire in the next 6 months or in the next 4 or 5 years, millions of Nigerians are already custodian of those certificates and they are jobless. So what is going to set you apart? It is certificates. learn a skill. In addition to the things you know now, get that ability to deliver. If you can deliver, there is no force whatsoever under the Milky Way that will stop you from becoming the best that you can be. Thank you very much, and I look forward to reading your comment in no distant time. Bye for now.